So in this code, we are working with an RGB LED. And what this does is that we can use one LED to change the colors to red, green, and blue. So if we start down here, we can see that blue is defined by pin 10, green by 11, red by 12. And these are the names of the pins on the 5G board. And at setup, so as soon as we start the code, what we want to do is we want to output the data or the hues down here in the code to the board and to the LED. And we want to start off immediately with red turned on. So high would be on and low would be off basically. And red value, green value, and blue value are integers in this case. And what that does is colors are sometimes defined by numbers. So it's usually from 0 or 1 to 255, 255 being the most red and 1 being like a very faded red. And here we have for loops as well as the values here. So the delay time is the fading time between the colors, and in this case we're gonna do this for red value, green value, and blue value. So we start off with red value equal being 255. So we wanted to go up all the way to that, and here you can see where it fades in the color, and when it reaches 255 it's gonna start fading out and instead bring the green value, and then it does that so on for the green value, and then once it gets to 255 we go down to blue, and then we loop this all over again. It'll be a continuous loop, and that's basically the code. So in this project we use a RGB LED to make it go through different colors, and we can do this by using 3 cables that connect to the red pin, green pin, and blue pin, as well as we have a 3.5 volt cable here, as well as a ground cable here. And the orange, or sorry, this is the voltage, and the blue cable is the ground, and the ground is connected to this pin here, and this is the 3.5 volt. And on these 3 cables, these are the 3 signal pins for red, green, and blue, so that the code can change the LED to all those colors.